Good morning, my fellow subscribers, viewers, and audience. This is your host, Noor Ali, with Right Tools for Right Job. Today is September 19th, 2024, 7:54 a.m. Good morning. I hope everybody's doing all right out there in the world today. This chapter, episode, content, vlog, call it what you will. It still has to deal with technology. It still has to deal with tool. And this topic will be important. It is important to majority of the people. People, professionals, non-tech and tech. This particular platform is used by non-technical folks and technical folks. All right, so understanding this particular platform, this particular technology is very, very important for the future to come, for the past, and for the present. Here we go. So this is understanding LinkedIn technology, right tools for right job. RTFRJ by Noor Ali. Okay. So I've written everything down from point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, 5, 6. So point number 7, I'm using me as an example. Okay. So LinkedIn tells you that you appeared in 905 searches this week. That was last week. Okay, last week. All right, keep that in mind. Let's move forward. Now, analytics, dashboard and analytics, okay, is very, very important. Very, very important to understand. The analytics technology itself is embedded within the YouTube also. Okay, I will focus on that in my later episodes. Okay, now here we see it says private for you, which is okay. I want to share it so many people can understand technology, platform. How does it work? Remember, if one door closes, next door will open, right? So you have 309 profile views. So 309 people viewed my profile. Okay, I can say out of 309, 300 has no relevant to my skill set, to my talent, maybe 9. Out of 9, I can give and take and say maybe 2 people will think I'm good for my work, right? That's it. 185 post impressions in past 7 days. I feel good. God bless everybody, right? 955 research search appearance. So 905 people searched my profile, my name. Okay, I can say out of 905, 900 has got nothing to do with me. Okay, nothing to do with me. Out of that 900, only 5. Out of even 5, I can say 2 people may think that I'm worthy for my action, I'm worthy for my talent, I'm worthy for my skills. You hear my point? Good. Okay? So, remember, if one door closes, next door will open. You must have patience, you must have hope, and you must be willingness to move forward without giving up or quitting. Okay? Do not give up, do not quit. Do not give up, do not quit. Do not give up, do not quit. Now, it says over here, 4,651 people are following me. I do not know them. I do not know them. I may know, 10 or 20 of them? From my ex-co-workers or some people like came across, right? But I don't know those 4,000 people. So let's say out of that 4,651, only 10 people may think I am worthy of my skill set, I'm worthy of my talent and my knowledge and my experience. They may forward my name to a headhunter or to a recruiter. Hey, if you're looking for a consultant or technician or an analyst or an engineer, look him up, right? Look how low I'm setting the bar, right? Because I'm being very practical. I am being very realistic, right? So if you're out there in this world, okay, if you're listening to my YouTube video, my YouTube blog, it's not a podcast, it's a video, okay? It's IT-based video. It has very strong points. Okay, now, analytics. It does not make a difference. Okay? It's written on top, read it, understand it. Okay? Understand the analytics. It's very important for you, very, very. So, the analytics says I have 194 post impressions. It's down in 7 days. You know why? Because I haven't posted anything. Okay? I haven't posted anything, so it's down. It's okay. All right? I'm not taking it personally. I'm doing other things. 309 profile viewers, 4,651 followers, and 955 search appearance previous week. Oh, well, I'm grateful to God. I'm grateful to Divine Spirit. I'm grateful to the elements. I'm grateful to the universe, to the cosmos, and those who are trying to understand me out there in this world. Now, this screen, people's faces are kind of blocked out, okay? But you will know exactly who is looking and why are they looking for you. I love it when recruiters are looking me up, okay? Because that's the only way I can get a project and a contract nowadays in a saturated competition world, okay? Where you have to upskill your skills every other project, every other contract, and you got to know your stuff, okay? You got to know your stuff, right? Now, this is a map of Business Insider, all right? This tells you how many people are on LinkedIn or Twitter or other platforms. Remember, this channel is about right tools for right job. All these things that you're looking at, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, which is X now, LinkedIn, print, what is it? Yeah. Print test? No. Yeah. And other platforms. These are all tools. Use it for good, not for bad. I use it for good. I use it for positive things. I use it to earn money, to make my living, to pay my bills, okay? And to be proactive, to be a creative person, to be a talented person so I can grow till I croak. We all got to croak one day, right? We all got to croak one day. Well, if those of you don't know what croak means, croak, it's a saying, it's a statement that I got to die one day, right? I ain't going to live forever. Okay, just keep it that way. Now, this is another chart. Most used social media platform worldwide. Okay, you have it. The results are in front of you. Okay, I don't have to say much at all. And as time goes by, our world will be connected. Connected to platforms, connected to technologies, and that is where the world's going to be, right? Keep that in mind. All right? So this is the most popular social network in 2024. Okay? How do businesses market their business? Facebook, YouTube, and other technologies, LinkedIn, okay, and other technologies are used to market their product. They do focus, they do demographics, they do all kinds of neat stuff, right? Okay, so my focus is to show you, hey, 2.5 billion people on YouTube, okay, 1.5 billion people on Facebook, and if I kid you not, it says about trillion, 1 trillion people on LinkedIn. Wow. I don't want all of them. I want just one door to open so I can keep earning money, keep making money. One door to open, right? Either via YouTube, via LinkedIn, or Facebook. Where would you mass market your YouTube links or backlinks or Facebook, LinkedIn, technically speaking, or other medias out there? Remember, this video, this presentation, this show and tell is about right tools for right job. So every technology that you see listed in this chart is a platform, is a technology. Simple as that. All right. Now there are influencers, they call it, right? Okay. So look at the payload. The payload is on Instagram. The payload is on TikTok. Well, TikTok got a bad rap nowadays. YouTube 36%, LinkedIn 16%, Twitter 15%. So if you are a YouTuber, you're gonna have an account in Twitter, you're gonna account in Facebook, and you're gonna have Instagram. You covered that. It's not going to be an overnight success. No. You have to put time, you have to be committed, you have to have effort, you have to have the will, you have to have the time. Practice. Do not give up, do not quit. Do not give up, do not quit. Do not give up, do not quit. Be resilient. That's the only way to gain success, to earn success, to have success. No matter what technology you use, no matter what platform you use, no matter what tools you use. Keep that in mind. All right. I have made another map. Okay, top 10 countries with the most social media users in 2024. We are talking about 2024. You have the numbers right there. I don't want 246 million people to know me or all the other people to know me. No. Out of that 246 million in USA, what city I live in, what state I live in, even 10 people, out of the 10 people, only 3 people connect with me via LinkedIn as a headhunter or recruiter and say, hey, I know this guy's smart, I know he's tech savvy, I know he's got the experience, let's give this guy a contract. Then the door will open for me, right? It's simple, it's plain, and there is what you're gonna do. That's how things work, right? One person contacts the other person contacts the other person. If you know one person, technically you're gonna know 10 person. If you know 10 person, technically you're gonna know other 10 person, right? That's how the doors open. Remember, one door closes, the other will open. Always keep that in mind. All right. Okay, I am a research guy. I do a lot of investigation. That's what I do at my job, in my past gig. That's what I used to do, but was security related and vulnerability related. But I'm using the same methodology, same process to understand where we are today. Okay, so here we are. Look, I have access to Reddit. I have access to Facebook. I have access to X, YouTube, and Instagram. I don't do TikTok. Okay? But it tells you average time spent on YouTube is 48.7 minutes. If you are a YouTube creator, a content creator, And if you are a professional and you want to build your future, I'm talking about future, okay, not current, future well-being, future work, you got to understand this. You have to know this, right? If you don't know it, if you don't understand it, you won't be able to capture and you won't be successful. All right. Remember what I told you about LinkedIn? All right. This is how it works. One person knows three people know five people know other five people right in front of you, right? So keep your profile clean in your LinkedIn, behave, make sure your information is accurate, and don't make stuff up because it ain't gonna help you, right? It is not going to help you at all. All right, here is another two scenarios I given, right? My profile in LinkedIn and LinkedIn tips, right there, okay? The groups you connect to, the answers that you give, the status updates, growing your network, recommendations, sending invitations, building effective profile, building influence. This matters, right? This matters. Keep that in mind. All right, I've broken down some more, right? There you have it. I'm not going to read everything about it, but you should know it. Simple as that. This ends over here. Now, everybody knows I love PowerPoint in a way, in a simplest way, and I keep spending time with it. This was my top sheet I made. Then I made this one. Which one do you like the best? Do you like this one? I've been using this quite a lot. I like it because this reflects my security background. Okay, this reflects my past IT background, technology background. So remember, right tools for right job, right? So this is the world that I'm in today, so that's why I have it. This was my old one. Always remember, share, learn, teach, and grow. 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 If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great day. God bless you all.